An exciting aspect of the Fast Track Kids program is the children's videotaped speaking opportunities. Children participate in videotaped presentations that are designed to help them in 4 ways. First, they learn to communicate in full sentences. Second, they learn to think before they talk. Third, they learn to plan their thoughts. And fourth, they increase their vocabulary. By developing children's speaking skills at an early age, they can overcome the fears and inhibitions that many older people experience.
Welcome to the Fast Track Weather Station. Today it will be sunny at the beaches and rainy on the island. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
When the children first were videotaped, it was as if they were watching a major motion picture on television, and they got very, very excited. The children are now requesting, and they use a microphone because they want to make sure, in their own words, that they are heard by everyone. They love to watch their first session of videotaping, and their comments are always, I didn't speak loud enough, I didn't speak clearly enough, and they are now prompting one another to speak in complete sentences.